Welcome to Why This. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of climate change, unraveling its scientific intricacies while discovering the mesmerizing visuals that accompany this global phenomenon. Picture this: vast glaciers melting into the ocean, polar bears traversing rapidly disappearing ice caps, and dense forests ablaze with wildfires. These striking images capture just a fraction of the profound changes our planet is undergoing due to climate change. But what exactly is causing these dramatic shifts? It's the result of human activities, like the burning of fossil fuels for energy and deforestation, which release enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. As these gases accumulate, they form a thick blanket, trapping heat and leading to rising temperatures worldwide. But the effects of climate change extend far beyond just warmer temperatures. They disrupt weather patterns, leading to more frequent and intense natural disasters like hurricanes, droughts, and floods. They also threaten ecosystems, endangering countless species and the delicate balance of life on Earth. So, as we embark on this journey to understand the science behind climate change, prepare to be amazed by the awe-inspiring visuals that illustrate the urgency of this global challenge. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of climate science and uncover the remarkable footage that brings this crucial issue to life. Now, let's journey to the icy realms of the Arctic and Antarctic, where the effects of climate change are most pronounced. Glaciers, once towering giants of ice, now retreat at alarming rates, carving massive chunks into the sea. This breathtaking footage showcases the raw power of nature and the undeniable impact of human-induced warming. But it's not just the poles feeling the heat. Across the globe, forests are ablaze, engulfed in flames fueled by hotter and drier conditions. From the towering redwoods of California to the lush rainforests of the Amazon, these fires ravage ecosystems, releasing vast plumes of smoke that darken the skies and choke the air. Meanwhile, coral reefs, vibrant underwater ecosystems teeming with life, are bleaching at an unprecedented rate. This stunning footage reveals the stark contrast between the once vibrant coral colonies and the ghostly white skeletons they've become, victims of rising ocean temperatures and acidification. As we witness these awe-inspiring visuals, we're confronted with the harsh reality of climate change. It's not just a distant threat, it's happening here and now, shaping the landscapes and ecosystems that sustain life on Earth. But amidst the devastation, there's hope. By understanding the science behind climate change and taking action to reduce our impact, we can work together to safeguard our planet for future generations. Venturing into urban landscapes, we witness the bustling cities that drive our modern world. But beneath the skyscrapers and bustling streets lies a hidden truth. Cities are both contributors to and victims of climate change. From towering smokestacks belching out clouds of pollution to congested highways choked with exhaust fumes, urban centers are hotspots for greenhouse gas emissions. This captivating footage captures the hustle and bustle of city life, juxtaposed with the environmental challenges we face in our quest for progress. But amidst the concrete jungle, there's a growing movement towards sustainability. Rooftop gardens bloom with life, solar panels gleam in the sunlight, and electric vehicles silently glide down streets once choked with traffic. These innovative solutions offer a glimpse of a greener future, where cities can thrive in harmony with nature. Yet, the impacts of climate change are already being felt in urban areas. Heat waves scorch the streets, straining power grids and endangering vulnerable populations. Floodwaters inundate low-lying neighborhoods, leaving destruction in their wake. This striking footage serves as a stark reminder that no corner of our planet is immune to the effects of a changing climate. As we explore the urban landscape, let's not only marvel at the ingenuity of human civilization, but also recognize the challenges we must overcome to create a sustainable future for all. Turning our gaze to the expansive oceans, we are met with a mesmerizing world teeming with life and beauty. Yet beneath the surface lies a crisis unfolding in slow motion: the acidification and warming of our seas. Diving into the depths, we encounter majestic marine creatures navigating vibrant coral reefs, their colors a symphony of hues. But this underwater paradise is under siege. Ocean temperatures are rising, triggering mass bleaching events that leave coral skeletons bare and lifeless. This poignant footage captures the stark contrast between the once thriving reefs and the barren landscapes they've become. Meanwhile, ocean currents carry vast swaths of plastic debris, choking marine life and polluting pristine coastlines. From remote islands to bustling harbors, this haunting footage serves as a sobering reminder of the impact of human activity on our oceans. But amidst the devastation, there's hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect marine sanctuaries, restore damaged ecosystems, and reduce plastic pollution. This inspiring footage showcases the resilience of nature and the power of collective action to heal our oceans. As we immerse ourselves in the beauty and wonder of the marine world, let's not forget our responsibility to safeguard these precious ecosystems for future generations. Together, we can chart a course towards a more sustainable and resilient future for our oceans and the countless species that call them home. As we conclude our exploration of the science behind climate change, we're left with a profound sense of urgency and responsibility. The captivating footage we've witnessed has illuminated the far-reaching impacts of human-induced warming, from the melting polar ice caps to the bleaching coral reefs and beyond. In our quest to understand the science behind climate change, we must also acknowledge the disproportionate impact it has on vulnerable communities around the world. From small island nations threatened by rising sea levels to indigenous peoples facing displacement due to environmental degradation, the effects of climate change exacerbate existing inequalities. This sobering reality is captured in the poignant footage of communities on the front lines of climate change. We see families forced to abandon their homes, farmers struggling with drought and crop failure, and children facing uncertain futures in a world increasingly shaped by environmental instability. But amidst the challenges, there's also hope. Across the globe, individuals, communities, and nations are coming together to address this existential threat. From renewable energy initiatives to conservation efforts and policy reforms, there's a growing momentum for change. So let's harness this collective resolve and take action to mitigate climate change, protect our planet, and secure a sustainable future for generations to come. Together, we have the power to make a difference. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. And remember, the time to act is now.